Tico floats nervously through a dark underwater cavern. Link echoes. Something is moving. Tico tightens by itself as it dances across the walls.
Alright guys, so I made a 60 seconds video using free Grok AI video generator with no 6 seconds limitation. I made this video high quality and I kept the face consistent throughout the video. If you want to know exactly how you can also do this, watch this video tutorial and as I show you the free hack, the continuity hack that keeps this seamlessly from the beginning to the end. I will show you exactly how you can also bring this together, avoid any watermark, and this is going to cost you $0. All you need to do is to watch this video tutorial and generate high quality image, keep the continuity hack, keep the face consistent, and also do the combination. You get the voiceover from this same video, and everything, like I said, is going to be free at totally no cost. All you need to do is to watch this video tutorial and guys. So alright, coming to ChatGPT, we're going to be creating our first script. So head on over here. I made my script available. That's my prompt available. So I'll copy it and head back to ChatGPT. Alright, paste it in ChatGPT and then send. I want an engaging short Disney 3D story, not more than 60 seconds, and I want 5 seconds hook. I want suspend every 5 seconds, and I want not more than 2 characters to keep it concise and straightforward without having too many entanglement. So yes, this is it. Let us see. Alright, our story is being generated for us now, and the 2 characters are Tico and Lumen. So this is the first one. Second step is to go ahead and generate. Okay, I need a prompt for each scene that connects with the previous one and give me a smooth story flow. So I paste this and I send it. So ChatGPT will give me a particular scene that connects with the previous one and keep it guided. So we head over to Grok over here and come to the imaging section. Now you have to put it to image and select your aspect ratio. So we have selected our aspect ratio to 2:3, which is portrait. So we'll head back to ChatGPT and get our first scene created. Okay, so copy the prompt for C1 so that we can use it to generate the image. It also gave you transition instruction over there, and we're going to make use of that. Paste it here. Let's see what Grok will generate for us at this point. Okay, so Grok has generated for us, so we can use anyone we want and proceed with this. So we can check it from the beginning. This is the first. Okay, this is not the first one. There are a lot of images. I'm using this one, so go ahead and hit the make video button. Now Grok will generate this video within seconds for you to use. So let us wait for this to be generated. Alright, so you can see Grok has generated this. So the video clip for scene 1 is ready. So let us go ahead and keep it consistent. So you have to take this to the very last section of this video. Now click on this, copy the video frame. So we have gotten the first scene. So let us smash download to download it and keep it in our storage for usage. So I've smashed download over here and this will be downloaded. So the next one is to go ahead and paste the prompt again, the second prompt. So copy this, copy the frame and paste it over here, paste it over here. So Grok will automatically generate another image with this same form. So let us go here and copy the second scene initially. Okay, so copy it and take it back to Grok and paste it over here. So when you paste it, tell Grok to make a video. Remember, we are maintaining the aspect ratio, so Grok is going to make another video starting from the last frame you copied, and it's going to be keeping a consistent face throughout all the video creation. That is how you get it done. That is how you keep the consistency rolling. So let us see after the generation, let us see whether the image was changed or the face remained the same. That is the most important thing you need to have in mind. Keeping it consistent, it's very, very important. And remember, this generates within just few seconds. Okay, so you can see it continued from the movement. That was the previous movement it was having. So you still need to continue with this same way to generate the third scene. So you take it to the very, very last section. You can see it holding this particular stuff. So copy video frame. Okay, then paste it over here, copy video frame, and you have to paste it over here, and Grok will immediately generate another video, but make sure it is at the end. You're copying the frame at the end and you're pasting it, and once you paste it, it will automatically start the generation. It is very easy, and you can do that for the remaining scenes all together. So guys, coming at this section over here, you can see the generated, the starting. This was the starting and this was the second one, guys. So you can click on this, you download this, then come again over here and download the second one. So let us say we have our 2 images downloaded. We now need audio to keep it lively, keep it real, and the way it's supposed to be. So let us generate this audio, and this is also going to be for free. So download it and then head on to Google AI, and this is where we're going to be generating our audio. Head back to ChatGPT and go up. Now the first script was generated. This is the time we're going to use it. This is story script. Okay, so copy it and take it to Google Studio, paste it. Now you need to remove all this suspense and stuff. Remove it. So I've edited the whole script. Now next is going to check the voice that fits our video and our voice.
What kind of masterpiece are we aiming for?
I like this one. Automatically I like this one, so you come and hit the run, that is the generate button. So let us wait for it to generate, and then we use. Now the script determines how long and how lengthy your video can be. This is a script and it's going to be lasting for 1 minute 32 seconds. So let us play and hear what it sounds like.
Tico floats nervously through a dark underwater cavern. Shadows twist. A strange metallic clink echoes. Something is moving. Tico spots Lumative.
The audio is very nice, so click and download this ASAP into your PC. So we have this downloaded. Now I'm just going to be using 2 scenes from this whole video just to save time. So let us head on to my CapCut and proceed with this. Okay, so click on create new project and get this combined together. Clear off the watermark and make it a video that we can upload on YouTube immediately. So click on import and head on to my download section. So this is the audio. I'm importing this and this. Okay, so let me open it. Let us add on and see. All right, so this is the first section, which is the one here. Just the first one, which is this. All right, so add the first one over here. Now the second one, get and add it at this section over here. All right, so once you add it, now let me play it and see. You have to totally mute the whole sound. You're going to totally mute the whole sound. Now it's working without a sound, guys, and that is what exactly I want. So you can see it has crossfade to the second scene, but you did not even notice because everything was done smoothly, guys. So let us head on to the final part, which is adding the audio. Adding the audio below. So you have to add the audio. Now there are gaps over here that you can go ahead and denoise. So select it and you reduce noise. So you can see these particular spaces over here. Let us say we take it over here. You need to do some editing on this. So you have to put it here, cut it, it has a split. That is, if you want to do it manually, split it and then come over here again and split, or else it has breaks, and this break is gonna make your video look or sound dull. So you click and bring it together. Let us bring it together and combine it, guys. So this is how you do the editing, and you make sure each scene matches the first scene. It doesn't go more than the first scene expected time. For instance, let us play this and see.
Tico floats nervously through a dark underwater cavern. Shadows twist. A strange metallic clink echoes. Something is moving.
Now, this whole first scene is supposed to start from here. Like, it's supposed to be within this time, this starting point here and this. So if you trim out these loopholes, it's gonna compress and it's going to be exactly how you want it. Now you can use Filmora. It also has a feature that denoise and remove all those gaps for you automatically, guys. So you can use that one as well, and after you have done that, you can go ahead and export your video, and it's totally for free. Now if your video has a watermark, you can go ahead and just drag it and adjust it so the watermark can be taken away, but make sure you maintain the same aspect ratio, guys. So this is how you get your video done, and this is how you get your audio, everything done from the Grok and everything, guys. So remember, the continuity hack is I need to copy the last frame and paste it, and you proceed from there. Always allow you to come to the very last part, copy the video frame and paste it. Now you have to just paste it here and it proceeds for you, guys. This is all for the video. Thanks for watching. See you all next time.